If you love meat pies that are flaky and delicious, then this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is withefua. In today's video, we're making this flaky corned beef pies. This is a very easy recipe to follow and it doesn't require a lot of ingredients to prepare as well. So let's get started. We'll first start with our pie crust. We'll need some flour, cold margarine, nutmeg, some grated onions, and garlic. So all I did was to freeze my onion and garlic, and it was so easy to grate. In a large bowl, add your flour and nutmeg. Mix until well combined. Next, add the cold margarine to the flour. We are not using salt in this recipe because our margarine is already salted. The list of ingredients are in the description box below, so do well to check them out. Mix the margarine into your flour with your hands as I'm doing here. Guys, make sure to mix this well so you don't have large chunks of margarine left once you are done. Once everything is well mixed, you should have a breadcrumbs texture just like this. Next, add the cold grated onions and garlic. Remember I grated them frozen. Making sure all your ingredients are cold also helps in achieving a flaky crust. Mix everything together until you form a dough. Guys, remember not to overmix or knead your dough. Otherwise, your pie will come out tough and not flaky. Once the dough comes together like this, wrap dough in a cling film. Place it in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes. Whilst our dough is chilling, let's move on to our filling. All we need is some chopped carrots, onions, and corned beef. Add the corned beef to a bowl. Next, add the chopped carrots and chopped onions. Give it a mix until well combined. You can also add some potatoes and fry all these ingredients if you prefer. Check out this pie recipe on how to achieve that. Once everything is well combined, we'll set aside. Sprinkle some flour onto your board and rolling pin. Gently roll out your dough. Don't roll out your crust too thin. Next, I will use a bowl to cut it out. You can also use a cutter if you have one. Set aside and repeat the process until you are done. So once we are done rolling our dough, it's now time to assemble our pies. Scoop some of the filling onto the pie crust. If you add too much of the filling, you will find it difficult sealing your pie. Next, fold and seal your pie with your fingers. You can also use a fork if you prefer. Arrange your pies on a baking tray. So let's repeat the process until we are done. Once we are done assembling our pies, Brush the surface with some milk. You can also use egg wash if you prefer. Once we are done, we'll bake the pies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. I'll bake until it's golden brown. Please don't overbake them, otherwise your pie will be too hard. Guys, look at how beautiful our pies turned out. It's so flaky and delicious as well. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this pie recipe. Guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, then check out the Ghanaian pie and chips playlist. The links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share this with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.